You need to hear this if you're ready to drop those stubborn pounds. Simple, delicious, and effective weight loss recipes. Let's go! Are you tired of complicated diets and bland meals? Well, we've got you covered. Today we're sharing easy weight loss recipes that are not only healthy but absolutely delicious. First up, our Green Goddess smoothie. Packed with spinach, avocado, and a splash of almond milk, this smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients. Blend it up, sip, and feel the energy boost. Next, let's talk about our Zesty quinoa salad. It's got fresh veggies, tangy lemon dressing, and protein-packed quinoa. Perfect for lunch or dinner, just mix, toss, and enjoy a guilt-free meal. And for those sweet cravings, how about our Berry Bliss overnight oats? Combine oats, your favorite berries, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Refrigerate overnight and wake up to a delicious ready-to-eat breakfast. These recipes are super simple, quick, and most importantly, they aid in weight loss without sacrificing flavor. Remember, consistency is key. Pair these meals with regular exercise, and you're on your way to a healthier you. If you're eager for more tips and delicious recipes, don't forget to check out our free diet and weight loss ebook. The link is in our profile. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. So hit that link, download your free ebook, and start your journey to a fitter, healthier you today. Let's do this together. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy. Download your bonus free diet and weight loss ebook now. Link in profile.